أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed shaitan. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Yasin. Yasin. وَالْقُرْآنِ الْحَكِيمِ. By the wise Quran. إِنَّكَ لَمِنَ الْمُرْسَلِينَ. Indeed you, O Muhammad, are from among the messengers. عَلَى صِرَاطٍ مُسْتَقِيمٍ. On a straight path. تنزيل العزيز الرحيم. This is a revelation of the exalted in might, the merciful. لتنذر قوما ما أنذر آباؤهم فهم غافلون. That you may warn a people whose forefathers were not warned, so they are unaware. لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون. Already the word has come into effect upon most of them, so they do not believe. إنا جعلنا في أعناقهم أغلالا فهي إلى الأذقان فهم مقمحون. Indeed, we have put shackles on their necks, and they are to their chins, so they are with heads kept aloft. وَجَعَلْنَا مِنْ بَيْنِ أَيْدِيهِمْ سَدًّا وَمِنْ خَلْفِهِمْ سَدًّا فَأَغْشَيْنَاهُمْ. And we have put before them a barrier, and behind them a barrier, and covered them so they do not see. وَسَوَاءٌ عَلَيْهِمْ أَأَنذَرْتَهُمْ أَمْ لَمْ تُنذِرْهُمْ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ. And it is all the same for them whether you warn them or do not warn them. They will not believe. إِنَّمَا تُنذِرُ مَنِ اتَّبَعَ الذِّكْرَ وَخَشِيَ الرَّحْمَنَ بالغيب فبشره بمغفرة وأجر كريم. You can only warn one who follows the message and fears the most merciful unseen. So give him good tidings of forgiveness and noble reward. إِنَّا نَحْنُ نُحْيِي الْمَوْتَى وَنَكْتُبُ مَا قَدَّمُوا وَآثَارَهُمْ وَكُلَّ شَيْءٍ أَحْصَيْنَاهُ فِي إِمَامٍ. Indeed, it is we who bring the dead to life and record what they have put forth and what they left behind, and all things we have enumerated in a clear register. وَاضْرِبْ لَهُم مَّثَلًا أَصْحَابَ الْقَرْيَةِ إِذْ جَاءَهَا الْمُرْسَلُونَ. And present to them an example, the people of the city when the messengers came to it. إِذْ أَرْسَلْنَا إِلَيْهِمُ اثْنَيْنِ فَكَذَّبُوهُمَا فَعَزَّزْنَا بِثَالِثٍ فقالوا إِنَّا إِلَيْكُمْ مُرْسَلُونَ. When we sent to them two, but they denied them, so we strengthened them with a third, and they said, Indeed, we are messengers to you. قالوا ما أنتم إلا بشر مثلنا وما أنزل الرحمن من شيء إن أنتم إلا تكذبون. They said, "You are not but human beings like us, and the Most Merciful has not revealed a thing. You are only telling lies." قالوا ربنا يعلم إنا إليكم لمرسلون. They said, "Our Lord knows that we are messengers to you. وما علينا إلا البلاغ المبين." And we are not responsible except for clear notification. قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم لئن لم تنتهوا لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم منا عذاب. They said, "Indeed, we consider you a bad omen. If you do not desist, we will surely stone you, and there will surely touch you from us a painful punishment." قالوا طائركم معكم أئن ذكرتم بل أنتم قوم مسرفون. They said, "Your omen is with yourselves. Is it because you were reminded? Rather, you are a transgressing people." وجاء من أقصى المدينة رجل يسعى قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين. And there came from the farthest end of the city a man running. He said, "O my people, follow the messengers. اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون. Follow those who do not ask of you any payment, and they are rightly guided. صدق الله العظيم.